So let's have the demonstration of Mendeley software. So Mendeley software, it is used for managing your references, managing your research papers. So for that, you have to download the Mendeley software, as this is an era of information technology. This is an era of digitalization. So what scientists used to do, they have to download the research paper, they have to take the printout, they have to read that research paper. Then after reading that, they have to file up it in a file. Then manually they have to write the research references. For writing the manually, it might be taking 2 or 3 days. But now with the help of softwares, within a seconds, you can generate the reference list of your hundreds and 200s of research paper. So for that, Mendeley software is very useful. So for that, you have to download the Mendeley software first. When you download it, it automatically get integrated with the MS Word. Then after that, downloading the Mendeley software, then you have to download the research papers which you want to use for your research work or writing the review of literature. Then save it in the folder with the first author name and year of paper. This is very important. Many times it happens the undergraduate student do not save the references properly. They might be thinking that I will get the research paper anytime from the website. But many times they download it, they read it, and they forget it to use it in their research work. So it is very important that you should manage your research paper very properly and with a plan. So you have to save the research paper in a folder, and the saving pattern should be, you should add author name, and then after that year of paper. It will help you to find out who is the author of that research paper without opening it, and what is the year of publishing of that paper, instead of opening the PDF file of research paper. Then after that, upload the research papers in the Mendeley software. Then check the research paper details taken by the Mendeley software and actual details on the research paper. So many times it happens that Mendeley take the wrong information of research paper, and that the information which is taken get reflected in your review of literature or list of reference. Then it will create problem. So whenever you upload a research paper on Mendeley, check the information taken by the Mendeley about your research paper. What information it will take? It will take a title of paper, then the authors, then year of publication, then name of journal, then page number of your research paper, then issue, volume, etc. So you have to check the Mendeley software information and the actual information on the research paper. So once you are confirmed that both the information is same, so then the last step, that start inserting the citation and the reference list. So let's have the demo of Mendeley software, how it works. So for that, first you have to open the website of Mendeley. So it states that Mendeley brings your research to life so you can make an impact on tomorrow. So many times, if you save your research paper on the desktop of your office, many times it happens that if you want to make some presentation and you are away from your office, you want to use some research paper in your presentation, it will create problem. But Mendeley gives you a very good resource, that once you save paper on the Mendeley software, you can access it from anywhere in any corner of the world. But for that, you have to first create an account on Mendeley. Once you create an account, then you go scroll down and download the Mendeley. So once you download the Mendeley software, it will look like this. So this is a screen or the software view of Mendeley. So it has different options. So once you get to use to this Mendeley software, it will be very easy for that. So we'll go first step by step. So as a step, I have saved the research paper in the folder. So I have 4 research paper. I have saved with the author name and then 2004 as a year. So this is one paper. This is second paper, third paper, and fourth paper. So these saved research paper, which are very important for my research work, I am going to upload on the Mendeley software. So you can also create a folder here in the Mendeley software by clicking on the create folder. So I have created one folder, that is demo folder, and in this demo folder I am going to upload my research paper. So click on the add button here, then go to the folder where you have saved your research papers, then select research papers. After selecting, click on the open. So automatically it will get uploaded one by one in the Mendeley software. So after you upload it, you will see the PDF files, and at the right corner you will see the automatically, once you upload the PDF file, automatically Mendeley has taken the information of that research paper. That is, for example, the title of research paper, it is a journal article, then the name of the scientist, then journal, year, volume, issue, and pages. So all the information Mendeley has taken automatically. You can see, you can click on the research paper, on the right side the information gets changed. So after doing that, keep the Mendeley software open, don't close it, then open the MS Word file. Then MS Word file, click on the references tab. So after clicking on the references tab, you will see that Mendeley has integrated itself in the MS Word. You can see here Mendeley Cite-O-Matic, and in that you click on the insert citation. So click on the insert citation. Then in my library, you can search here your research paper, or you can click on the go to Mendeley. So once you go to Mendeley, you can select all the research papers here, and you can click on the cite button here. Once you click the cite button, the information will come formatting the citation, and within a one click you can get the citation pattern of all the research paper. And this type of citation you can use in your literature review section. Now you want to create a reference list out of all these research paper. So how to do that? So you have to click on the insert bibliography. Then you have to again open the Mendeley software. You can click the type of citation you want. You can click any kind of citation pattern. Then go here, insert citation tab, then go to Mendeley. and click cite. Within one click, you can see here all the references has been cited in a different manner. You can see here within a second you have created this list, but if you do it manually, it will take 10 to 15 minutes, and with the software you can click in 5 to 10 seconds. You can see here the name of scientist. You can change the pattern of these references also. If you change here style, if you take different style, it will be of different pattern. As per your research requirement, you can change the citation pattern. So this is a in short demo of the Mendeley, how to use it for creating the citation, how to use it to create a list of reference. Then next feature of MS Word, which you can use to write the references. So MS Word for reference management. So you have to first open the MS Word file, then you have to click on the reference tab, then you have to click on the insert citation, then you have to select add new resource. After that, enter the research paper details. Manually you have to enter it, then click on the OK, then click on the insert citation for citing the reference. Then for creating the reference list, you have to click on the bibliography. Then at the end, you start inserting the citation and creating the reference list. So let's have a demo of how to do it in MS Word. So for that, you have to open the MS Word file. So after opening it, go to the reference tab of MS Word. Now, as my Mendeley has integrated here, don't use Mendeley, or for the student who is not very technology friendly, or who don't have a laptop, their personal laptop, or don't want to use the software for creating the citation or reference list, they can simply use this section of MS Word. For that, first of all, they have to include the reference in the this format. So first you have to click on the manage resources. Then you have to click on the insert citation. In insert citation, you have to click on the add new resource. So here you have to enter the each and every detail manually. If you want to have more fields, you can click here show all bibliographic fields. So here you can see all the fields of the research paper. So first of all, you have to select that yours is a journal article. Then you have to add the authors. So for that, adding the authors, you have to click on the edit. Then you can add here the last name of author. Let's take example ABCD. Then first name of author DHAD. Then middle name, you can give any name. Then click add. So this is one name of author. Then add the second name of author. So I will take last name as AAA, then first name as B, then middle name as C. Then add it. Then third author, I will take JJJ, then LLL, then for example I will take MM. So you have to add the name of authors. So I have taken 3 authors. I will add one more author. Then I will add it. So all 4 authors have been added. Then I will add the title of research. So I will take a title as DNA finger printing it using SSR markers. Then I will add a name of a journal as biotechnology and updates. I will have added the name of journal here. Then I have added the year of publication as 2020. Then pages I will add 10 to 19 page numbers of research paper. Then if publisher is there, you can add the publisher. I will add here ABCD. Then volume, issue. Okay, this much details are enough if you want to create a reference. So click, after adding this, click on the OK. So once you click on the OK, now you want to cite this paper. So click on the cite. You can change the pattern here also. So you can see here, these were the first name of the scientist and year of publication. Now you want to the list of reference. For that you have to click on the bibliography. Click on the bibliography and click on the insert bibliography. So you can see here, these are the names of scientists. This is year. Then there is a title of research paper. Then this is a title of journal. This is a issue, volume, and page numbers. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes to add it manually. So, but once you add it manually, you can use it again and again. If you are using 30 research papers, you have to add it manually here. Every time if you want to add a research paper, you have to again do the same procedure again and again, and you have to keep adding up to 30 research papers. So this is an in short demo of use of Mendeley software and a MS Word this reference tab for creating the citation, creating the reference section. So with this, I conclude this topic, that is outline of research work, and with the demo of Mendeley and MS Word. Thank you.